Egyptian monumental architecture is characterized by the use of stone, massive construction, and the use of flat roofs supported by columns. Most monuments were built for religious purpose, and the most important were the temples and the tombs. We are going to study here the temples. The temples were buildings dedicated to the gods. The most famous ones are in Karnak, for example, and Luxor in Egypt. These temples have always the same shape. The temples were preceded by a dromos. This dromos is an avenue flanked by statues of sphinxes or other animals, like you can see here in the picture. At the end of the dromos, some monumental statues of the gods or the kings, and the obelisk, this piece of stone, mark the entrance of the temple. This entrance is marked by an enormous wall with inclined sides that we call pylons. You can see here. Through the entrance door, there was a courtyard. This courtyard was surrounded by columns. In this courtyard, people met to the religious festival. This is the last place in which normal people, could enter during the festivities of the gods. Here took place all the ceremonies, sacrifice, and rites dedicated to the gods. Then the next room is the Hypostyle Hall. That means Sala de Columnas, because hypostyle means that, the columnas. So this hall or this room mark the end of the public area of the temple. In case of rain or wind or something, people could enter here to protect themselves. But that's the end of the public area. That means that anyone could enter here in the sanctuary. The sanctuary is the most sacred place in the temple. It's always in the back of the temple, and inside there is a statue of the god or goddess. That is a private area in which only the priest and the priestess could enter.